Safe browsing is essential for protection against malicious attack on your data and device. Now I am going to show you how to enable safe browsing on Google Chrome. Click on three dot icon on upper right corner, then go to settings. In left menu pane, click on privacy and security, then click on security option. Here, under Safe Browsing, no protection is selected and it's not recommended. Select Enhance Protection, Real-Time AI-powered protection against dangerous sites, downloads, and extensions that based on your browsing data getting sent to Google. That's it. This is the easiest way to enable safe browsing on Google Chrome.